Okay, let's continue. Now you see this error message. It shows you that libqt4-qt3support.so.4 cannot be found. So again, we go to data package website and we cannot search this file in Bookworm. But if you search faster, you will see this is a file called libqt4-qt3support. And you can click this, and this file is AMD64 architecture, and this file is also in security.debian.org. So we need to download this file again. We need to use root permission to download this file. Okay, again we find this file from Debian packages website. And it shows that the download link is this place. Then we download this file and use unar to extract this file again. Then we go to the directory and extract. We go to the directory and extract the data. We go to. If you type ls-, you will see another new directory here. So you go to this directory again. You go to this directory again and type unar. xfva data.tar.xz. Then basically the operation is the same. cp-a.user-lib x86 user lib. Okay, the operation is the same. Then enter and the ls-l user lib x86 libqt3 start here. Then we can run this. You see another new problem, another missing file. Okay, if I let this to you, can you solve this problem? The solution are all the same. You need to find this file and download the Debian file and extract it. Then copy this file to user lib x86 directory. Understand? So I will let this for you. Then I will do this by myself. Then I will see if we encounter some problem you cannot solve by yourself, because you can see that since you know the first one and the second one's solution, the rest are trivial. So you can follow the same operation to fix the problem one by one. Okay? Okay, so I will let you to have your control. Then we will see what happens next.